Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. And every week we dive deep into the past, present, and future of our world. From hidden histories to global game changers, you're watching World Explorer Mind WEM. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to join our community. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Guyana, often called the land of many waters, is a fascinating and largely untouched tourist destination in South America. Known for its pristine rainforests, incredible wildlife, and rich cultural tapestry, it offers a unique and authentic experience for adventurous travelers. Unlike many other South American countries, Guyana is part of the Anglophone Caribbean, and English is its official language, making it more accessible to English-speaking visitors. The people and culture Guyanese culture is a vibrant and harmonious blend of different ethnic groups, a reflection of its history. The population is a mix of people with East Indian, African, Amerindian, and other heritages, including Chinese and European descendants. This diversity is celebrated and is a source of national pride. Indo-Guyanese, the largest ethnic group with roots in India. Their influence is prominent in cuisine, curries, roti, music, chutney, and festivals. Afro-Guyanese, the second largest group, descended from African slaves brought during the colonial era. Their heritage is visible in music, folklore, and traditions. Amerindian, Guyana's indigenous peoples, who have a strong presence in the country's interior. Their communities often lead eco-lodges and offer tours that provide insights into their traditional way of life. Other groups, smaller populations of Chinese, European, especially Portuguese, and mixed-race people contribute to the country's multicultural fabric. This blend of cultures has created a unique society where different traditions coexist. Guyanese people are known for their warm hospitality, and the country's cuisine is a delicious mix of flavors from around the world. Big cities. While the country is celebrated for its wild, untamed interior, most of the population lives along the coast. Guyana has a few major urban centers, with Georgetown being the most significant. Georgetown, the capital and largest city, Georgetown is located on the Atlantic coast at the mouth of the Demerara River. It is often called the Garden City of the Caribbean due to its lush parks and tree-lined avenues. The city's architecture is a testament to its colonial past, with many beautiful wooden buildings, including the impressive St. George's Cathedral, one of the tallest wooden churches in the world. Key attractions in Georgetown include Stabroek Market, a bustling, iconic market where you can experience daily life and find everything from fresh produce to local handicrafts. National Museum, a great place to learn about the country's history and natural heritage. Botanical Gardens, a peaceful green space home to various plants and a number of manatees. Georgetown Lighthouse offers panoramic views of the city for those willing to climb its many stairs. Linden, the second largest urban center, located on the Demerara River. Linden is known for its history as a bauxite mining town and is a gateway to the country's interior. New Amsterdam, located on the Berbice River, this is the third largest town and an important port. It features many old colonial buildings and a significant historical site, the Mission Chapel. Main tourist attractions. Guyana's tourism is focused on responsible and sustainable ecotourism, with a strong emphasis on nature, wildlife, and cultural immersion. The country's interior, largely undeveloped, is a haven for adventure seekers. Kaieteur Falls, the crown jewel of Guyanese tourism. Kaieteur Falls is one of the world's largest single-drop waterfalls by volume. Its sheer power and isolated location within Kaieteur National Park make it a truly spectacular and unspoiled sight. Most visitors take a guided plane tour from Georgetown to see it. Iwokrama Rainforest. This vast area of protected rainforest is a living laboratory for scientific research and a prime destination for eco-tourists. It is home to incredible biodiversity, including jaguars, giant river otters, and hundreds of bird species. The Iwokrama Canopy Walkway offers a unique perspective from high above the forest floor. Rupununi Savannas. Located in the southwest, the Rupununi is a vast expanse of grasslands punctuated by rainforest-covered mountains. It's a fantastic place for wildlife spotting, including giant anteaters and capybaras. and for experiencing the culture of indigenous communities who often run eco-lodges in the area. Shell Beach. This 145-kilometer stretch of beach in the northwest is a critical nesting site for 4 species of endangered sea turtles, including the giant leatherback. Visitors can witness these incredible creatures coming ashore to lay their eggs during the nesting season. Essequibo River. South America's third-largest river, the Essequibo, offers a network of islands and waterways to explore. Boat trips are a popular way to see the diverse landscapes and spot wildlife. Guyana is a true gem for nature lovers, offering a wealth of untouched wilderness, unique wildlife, and spectacular natural wonders. The country is often referred to as the Land of Giants due to its remarkably large species. Natural wonders and wildlife. Guyana's diverse ecosystems, including rainforests, savannas, wetlands, and rivers, support an incredible array of flora and fauna. The country's wildlife is a major draw for ecotourists. Iconic giant species. Giant anteater. Known for its long snout and impressive claws, this unique mammal is often spotted foraging for food in the savannas. Giant river otter. These social and playful predators are the largest of their kind in the world. They can be found in the country's rivers and are often seen in family groups. Black caiman, the largest member of the alligator family. These carnivorous reptiles are top predators in Guyana's waterways. Arapaima. This is the world's largest scaled freshwater fish, capable of growing over 10 feet long. Harpy eagle, one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world. The harpy eagle is a majestic bird of prey that can be found in the dense rainforest canopies. Victoria amazonica. This is the world's largest water lily and Guyana's national flower. Its massive leaves can grow to nearly 10 feet in diameter. Other notable wildlife. Jaguar. As the largest cat in the Americas, the elusive jaguar is a powerful and majestic animal that roams freely in the dense rainforest. Birds. Guyana is a paradise for birdwatchers, with over 800 species. Highlights include the vibrant Guianan cock of the rock, scarlet macaws, and toucans. Monkeys and sloths. The rainforests are home to several species of monkeys and sloths. Reptiles and amphibians. Guyana has a wide variety of reptiles, including the world's largest snake, the green anaconda, and brightly colored poison dart frogs. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of this content, please share your success story to help inspire others. Make sure to leave a comment. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next one. More stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind WEM.